In the Hublot watch cleaning kit, you will find all of the necessary materials in order to clean your watch. A cleaning cloth, a brush, a bottle of cleaning solution, a cleaning pen, a magnifying glass. We recommend wearing gloves. Take the brush and the cleaning solution and spray the brush. Clean the buckle clasp on both sides. Then, clean the back of the strap and the case on both sides. Be careful not to use the cleaning solution on any watch strap made of leather or exotic skins. For leather straps, simply use the cleaning cloth without the cleaning liquid. Now clean the bezel and the crown. Then dry the watch with the cleaning cloth. Start with the buckle. Then dry the strap and the case. For the last step, take the cleaning pen and remove the cap. Clean the glass using the flat side of the pen. Do not use the side in order to avoid scratching the glass. Make small circles. Remember to place the cap back on the pen after each use. For metal and rubber straps, the cleaning steps are the same.